So you said that we should be like proud to be Muslim, but I remember in one of the lessons our Ustad taught us that pride is haram.
Ah, beautiful question. Look, he's very intelligent, mashallah. What's your name?
Shahir.
Shahir. He's very intelligent boy, mashallah. Good boy, mashallah. His question is that I said we should be proud to be a Muslim, but our Ustad said, teacher said that it's haram to have pride. That pride that the teacher was talking about was arrogance. Arrogance means that I think of myself as better than others. That's arrogance. But when I say be proud to be a Muslim, in other words, don't be shy. That, oh my God, you know what would people say, I'm praying in a corner. That's what I meant to be proud to be a Muslim. Not that. This is what I said to my lovely daughter up there. She said, you know, everybody is in the hellfire and Jahannam, and you know. I said, no, don't say that. You know, we don't consider ourselves in that, oh, we are in paradise and everybody is in the hellfire. We make dua for everybody that, Ya Allah, guide everybody and let, take everybody to paradise. So we don't consider ourselves as better than people. But we are proud of the fact that we are not shy that, oh, it's time for prayers. Oh, what will people say to me? This is what I meant. Good question, mashallah.